seashells, it's Shelby and I am back with another video. So today we're going to be talking about how I cleared my acne, and I'm going to give you guys some tips about acne prone oily skin. So if you want to hear any of that good stuff, then let's get on into the video. Which way? So first things first, I am gonna tell you a little bit about my acne. I'm gonna keep it short. Okay, so I've been breaking out since I was like 12. They kept saying, oh, it's just teenage bumps, blah 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 blah, it'll go away soon. 13, 14, 15, 16. Those bumps did not go away, it got worse. I literally had acne burns, like acne on my sideburns, and that was not cute for a 16-year-old who thought she was the that was not cute. 17, 18, 19, which I am currently, it was like fluctuating because I was eating a lot of dairy, a lot of sweets. I did drink a lot of water though, so I don't know, but I'm guessing it's because of all the dairy and the sweets why it was that bad. And as of November or December of last year, which was 2017, my face just started clearing up and I didn't even notice. The only thing I have on right now, my brows, because that's all I can do. I'm not gonna go too close to this camera because, yeah. So my face doesn't look that bad right now. I do have oily skin, so that is why my face kind of looks a little bit oily. You guys want to know the products that I use on my face? Then I'm gonna show it to you guys. First of all, I only use 3 things on my face. First of all, this is what I use to cleanse my face. So I use this to cleanse my face, along with my Vanity Planet spin brush. And after I do that, I sometimes tone with witch hazel. I'm not sure where it is right now, but I'll take a little video of it when I find it and insert it somewhere. And lastly, for moisture, I use whatever is in this container right here. It's a mixture of Cetaphil, moisturizer of course, and something else that I don't know because my sister made it for me and it has been working. So if she tells me what I use, then I might tell you guys. But it really doesn't matter if you know what I use or not, because it might not work for you. Everybody's skin is different, and next thing you know, you're gonna use it and then you blame Shelby, saying that your skin is breaking out and this and this and that. So you don't have to use what I use. If you want to try it, go ahead, but I've been through a lot of products and finally found something that is working for me, and we'll just see how far I can go with it. So people always think that if you have oily skin, you don't. So people always think that if you have oily skin, you don't need to moisturize. Lies. Even though it does sound a bit contradictory to apply oil to an oily skin, it actually helps to reduce sebum that's produced from the sebaceous glands in this face, blah blah blah. I am not a dermatologist. I do not really know how to explain all this stuff, but with the proper use of this moisturizer, it will help to give your skin a better texture, and your face will actually be less oily if you use the moisturizer. So yeah, in all honesty, I didn't do anything much. I've gone through years of trying different products on my face that didn't work, and I finally found something that worked and I am happy about it. So now I'm just going to give you guys some tips or things that I did. Ooh. The things that I did to clear my acne. So the first tip I would say is try to be consistent with your products. Don't be buying different products every week because you don't see the results in 5 days or something like that. You see, that's why some of these YouTube videos are so misleading, because their titles are like, how I cleared acne in 1 week, and they tell you to go buy these products. You go buy them, you don't see any improvement in a week, then you go buy something else, you don't see any improvement, you buy something else, and you're not using the product long enough to see if it actually works for your skin or not. And it's really annoying when these YouTubers just mislead people like that for views. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I keep telling you guys, if you want to use the products that I use, that's all on you. I'm not telling you to go use it, and I'm not going to tell you that you're going to get the same results as me. I'm just sharing what I used. My next tip is to cleanse your face. That is self-explanatory. Cleanse it at least twice a day, morning, nights. There's really nothing to it. My next tip is to use an astringent. Is that how you pronounce it? I know the word, but I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it properly. Anyway, they're basically toners. So a toner that I use is the witch hazel. Use it right after you cleanse your face and before you moisturize, and that is said to help tighten the pores, at least temporarily, and help remove excess oil. I forgot that part. Use oil-free and water-based products, like whenever you're trying to buy makeup or sunscreen or moisturizer, keep it oil-free and water-based. Yeah. Do not scrub your skin. I used to think that if my skin is oily, I should just scrub it until it's extremely dry, and then it won't be oily again. But just like dry skin, you need to be careful, because you're going to just irritate the skin more, and the acne will actually get worse and not get better. You think you're getting rid of excess oil, but you're actually not. So don't be scrubbing your skin too hard. Be gentle with your face, no matter what skin type you have. Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. Just be gentle and don't scrub your whole face away. I know this tip is cliche, but drink water. You cannot go wrong drinking water. Cut out a lot of the sodas, the juice, all the sweet stuff. Don't eat too much dairy, nothing like that. Just eat your fruits and your vegetables, drink your water, mind your business, your skin will glow. If you have a lot of hair on your head, keep it out of your face. I know us natural hair girls, we like to let that hair flow freely in the wind, the bangs in our face and all that. No, keep the hair out of your face. I know all my relaxed girls or people with straight hair, sometimes you want to experiment with new hairstyles. You want to get that bang, and you're rocking your bang, covering your big old forehead. No, keep it out of your face. Embrace the forehead. We all got the forehead. In my case, I have a 5-head. 5-head and proud. All the 5-head people comment a 5. Anyways, my last tip for you guys is to keep your hands out of your face, for obvious reasons. Bacteria, dirt, germs, touchy on the face. No, not a good idea. You're just putting dirt on your face and clogging your pores with all that gunk and junk and mess and all of that stuff. Do not do it. So yeah, those are all my tips. That was my little history of my acne and my products that I use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped or yeah, I hope it helped. If it didn't help, I'm sorry. I'm not a dermatologist. I don't really know much about acne. I'm just telling you what I know based off research and what I realized happening to my skin. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.